Are you ready to make the most of your summer? I'm sure fun is on the agenda, but have you also considered using some of the time to earn a bit of extra cash and gain valuable experience for later in life? Here are 10 tips to help you land that perfect summer job. Don't wait until the last minute to start your job search. Begin early to beat the competition and increase your chances of finding the ideal summer job. Explore online platforms and company websites to discover a wide range of summer job opportunities. Reach out to friends, family members, and acquaintances to inquire about job openings or potential leads. Networking can open doors to hidden opportunities. Visit local businesses in person and inquire about job openings. Making a personal connection can leave a lasting impression. Craft a polished resume that highlights your skills, experiences, and achievements that are relevant to the job you are applying for. A well-written resume can set you apart from the competition. Tailor your job applications to each position you apply for, emphasizing how your skills and experiences align with the job requirements. Keep an eye out for job fairs in your area, where multiple employers gather to recruit summer workers. Job fairs offer a valuable opportunity to connect with potential employers face-to-face. Make use of all that time you've spent navigating social media. Optimize the skills you've developed and look for those businesses that aren't fully active on social media, and approach them with a plan to reactivate their accounts. Follow up on your job applications with polite emails or phone calls to express your continued interest and inquire about the status of your application. Persistence pays off. And finally, stay motivated and positive throughout your job search journey. Remember that finding the perfect summer job may take time, but with persistence and a positive attitude, you can achieve success. With these tips in mind, you're well equipped to embark on your summer job search adventure. Good luck, and here's to a rewarding and unforgettable summer.